Greetings and welcome back to Smartwatch Ticks. We're on the web at smartwatchticks.com, and what a fun day! This is the H2. We've done a beautiful review on this one, and you know what? This watch was and continues to be Mrs. Tick's most favorite watch of all. So what happens when a lady has a favorite watch? She wants her favorite watch in a different color. Oh yeah, fashion, you know. That's what we're going to show you today. But more than that, we're going to show you that the new version of this watch, well, the watch hasn't changed, but this thing sure has. This was the charging clip that came with this, and it was so frustrating. Honestly, Mrs. Ticks would just toss me the watch and say, charge it. Dutiful husband, of course, I would take it and try to figure out how to slip it in here and clamp it down and make sure it got on the pins and not off the edge. Oh, what a mess. Well, I'm here to show you the brand new H2 in this box. But first, another important reason we're doing this right now is to show you that it's on a special anniversary sale right now. 4 days only. AliExpress, the link is in the show notes. Click over, pick up the H2 at a really deep discounted price. After the sale is over, if you're watching it a little bit late, keep checking in the show notes. We'll try to get you a coupon on this to lower the price a bit, but that's about the best we're going to see for a long time. Oh, and while you're at it, if you checked out the review just before this one on the Rundoing's Q18, this is also on this anniversary special. For $16, you can get an... Well, look at the review. Anyway, pick up one of each of these, or both of them, whatever you like. Let's get in here. Take a look at it. Comes in a really nice box. This one is in silver. Yeah. We'll take off the little protective cover. And, of course, inside the box are the manual and the new charging dock. Now, that's really what I wanted to show you. But Mrs. Ticks really wants to show you how nice this thing looks in silver. It's got the mayonnaise band, Milanese band, right? That you can put your arm through there or slide it all the way out and magnetically clasp it easily to fit your arm, whatever your arm dimensions are. It's got a gorgeous screen. We'll take you through all of this, all the functions in the review we did on this one. I'm going to have a link right up here at the very end, and you can click on that and go and look at all of this stuff, and heart rate and blood pressure and sleep time. Oh man, all sorts of things. Whole fitness sections on this one. Wow. Brightness controls, the overall themes, background, image, what you want to have on the watch. All of these change, available in silver with rhinestones, gold, your choice of color. And there's a couple of other ones too that are some insane, like blue or purple. Really a nice watch. All right, let's take a look at this. This is the new clamp. You push it, you open it, pick a watch. Let's take this one. I always have fun with that magnetic thing looping around. See where the little charging diodes are. See where the pins are on here. The only trick you got to do is line it up so they're on the same side. Pop it in. Easy way to do that is to notice that the crown is on that side. Close it down, click it, okay? Plug it in, you're done. You're done. In the morning or whenever you need it, press the button, take it out, you're good to go. Way better than the clamp style. So, the new, improved, ready for you to get it right now, H2 with the new charging dock is available from Rundoing through the show notes on special from AliExpress. All right, check out the review, and we'll see you back here again soon. Thanks for watching.